the school annual report of the year 2024-25.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Milestones achieved, but the horizon of excellence is still ahead.
Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Reverend Sister Marina Thomas, the Chairperson of the Society of St. Ursula, India. Guest of Honor, Shri Dikshant Dilip Deshpande, the Tehsildar of Kankavli. Reverend Fathers, Sisters, Principals and Managers of various institutions, well-wishers and parents. A very pleasant evening to each one of you. St. Ursula School focuses on the holistic development of each and every student. Ursula empowers every student to face the next stage of their life by building the strength and experiences at school level, reflecting a vision and mission of nurturing the human values in the society. Today,
I, Paras Dinesh Walke, the head boy,
and I, Tanuja Samir Sawan, the head girl, on behalf of our principal, Sister Jansi, are privileged to undertake the pleasant duty of presenting the annual report of the academic year 2024-25. We hope you will enjoy this joyful journey.
The school has 33 teaching and 12 non-teaching staff who cater to various school functioning so that it can run smoothly, rendering the maximum care to the students. As of today, St. Ursula School Varavde has on its roll 617 girls and 623 boys. A well-equipped school is the foundation upon which the strong character of the student is built. Our school makes its students avail of a well-established library, science labs, computer lab and interactive boards, etc. This year, the school has decorated the walls of KG section with colorful and educational paintings to make the school atmosphere more friendly for our tiny tots.
Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. And working together is success. The first staff meeting and staff orientation were held on 3rd June. The staff meeting addressed different aspects of the academic year and aimed at fostering discussions on various topics which would enable the smooth functioning of the whole year. The teachers were guided about their duties and responsibilities. The staff orientation was conducted by Reverend Father Dr. Ivan Almeida. Father Ivan focused on the theme Healthy Mind and Healthy Body. Teachers were explained the importance of meditation, mindfulness and yoga and made aware of the ways to deal with feelings and thoughts. The session energized the teachers to begin the new academic year with renewed energy.
Trees are our best friends. St. Ursula School is committed for the protection and conservation of environment. On 5th June 2024, on the occasion of World Environment Day, a short assembly was put up to bring awareness about the importance of planting more trees. The students planted trees along with the management, principal and staff.
Parenting is about raising and celebrating the child you have, not about the child you thought you would have. The parents' meeting of KG section was held on 3rd June 2024. The objective of the meeting was to acquaint the parents about the rules and regulations of the school. The guest speaker enlightened the parents about how to deal and handle children effectively and efficiently. This year, St. Ursula School, Varode, ventured to begin the nursery section. The nursery children were warmly welcomed on 18th June 2024.
Nothing succeeds like success. The academic year 2024-25 shines brilliantly with the outstanding success of our standard 10 students in SSC board exam 2023-24. We are proud to secure 100% result with 106 distinction, 14 first class and 2 second class. This is the third consecutive year that St. Ursula School Varaude bagged first place at district level and stood first in the state. In the history of St. Ursula and our school is adorned with this grand success by Miss Nidhi Prakash Sawan securing 100%, Miss Aditi Khanolkar and Miss Janvi Singh secured 97.80% and stood second, and Miss Aditi Thanekar stood third in the school with 97.40%. The felicitation program was held on 13 June for their incredible success in SSC board exam 2023-24. They were felicitated by Mrs. Kavita Shimpi, the Secondary Education Officer, Sindhudurg.
Keep your eyes on the stars and feet on the ground. Orientation for the students of Standard 9 and 10 was held on 19th June. The resource person, Reverend Father Dr. Ivan Almeida, motivated the students to calm their mind, improve their confidence, and work hard to achieve their goal. Yoga doesn't change the way we see things. It transforms the person who sees. International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June with great enthusiasm. All the students, along with the teachers, celebrated Yoga Day by demonstrating various yogasanas.
Great things in this world are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people to inculcate the spirit of teamwork, leadership, and healthy competition in the students. The students of primary and secondary section have been divided into 4 houses respectively. Each house is distinguished from others by a name and color as follows.
Primary section: sunflower, lotus, jasmine, and rose. Secondary section: red house stands for Satya, blue house stands for Shanti, green house stands for Daya, and yellow house stands for Kshama. The new team of badge holders is led by the head boy, Master Paras Dinesh Warke, and the head girl, Miss Tanuja Samir Sawan. The induction assemblies were conducted in the month of June to introduce the students of Standard 1, 5 and new students to the house system.
Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Annual General Body Meeting of Parent Teacher Association was held on 6 July. It's an occasion to ensure and ascertain the commitment of the parents and the school management to work together for the growth and development of all the children. The parents were made aware of the aims and objectives of the PTA and rules and regulations of the school. The outgoing and newly appointed PTA members were felicitated. The parents were then enlightened by the Honorable Guest Speaker, Reverend Father Felix Lobo, Vice Chairman of the Sindhudurg Diocesan Board of Education, on the topic Effective Parenting. And Reverend Father Felix also felicitated the Maharashtra State Pre-Upper Primary and Pre-Secondary Scholarship Awardees of the academic year 2023-24.
A successful tomorrow belongs to those who prepare today. The students are encouraged to appear for all the competitive exams like MTS, NTS, Maharashtra State Scholarship Exam, Dr. Homi Baba, Olympiad, Spell Bee, etc. This year, 8 students from Standard 8 and 2 students from Standard 5 secured Maharashtra State Scholarship and brought glory to our school.
Your thoughts become your words. Your words become your actions. Your actions become your habits. Your habits become your values. And your values become your destiny. Our school gives importance to moral and spiritual development of the students. Once in 2 months, Holy Eucharist is arranged for the Catholic students, and twice a week, value education classes are arranged for all the students of all faiths. The school arranges daily assemblies as well as monthly assemblies to inculcate values in students. Also, the school observes the birth anniversaries of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, etc., and pays tribute for their great sacrifices and service to our country and to the humanity. The Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November with cultural program and food festival.
The only way to get great success is to love what you do. St. Ursula's School focuses on the all-round development of each student to stimulate the students to explore knowledge, boost their self-confidence, and develop their communication, aesthetic, and motor skills. Various competitions like essay writing, quiz competitions, elocution, and debate competitions, rangoli, lantern making, and rakhi making competitions, spell bee, role play, etc. were organized. Scientific temperament is the process of thinking, method of action, and search of truth. In order to imbibe scientific temperament in the students, science model competition was held for the students of standard 5 to 9.
Play a sport. It will teach you how to win honorably and lose gracefully. The triumphs of our sports champions have been a shining testament to our school spirit and excellence. Many of our students participated various sports events like cricket, basketball, football, athletics, taekwondo, karate, chess, etc. and proved their sportsmanship at taluka, district and state level. Health is wealth. We are thankful to Kankavli Taluka Hospital and Primary Health Center Varavde for rendering their valuable service to our school. Gratitude blossoms from a grateful heart. Our school was privileged to have in our midst our dear Superior General, Reverend Sister Rita De Silva and Sister Augusta Stoffel in the month of August. Sister Augusta had laid down the strong foundation of the school building and transformed this forest area into a temple of education in the lap of beautiful nature. The teachers and students expressed their gratitude towards Reverend Sister Rita and Sister Augusta.
Freedom, liberty, independence. Free to dream, free to achieve. We celebrated 78th Independence Day this year with the same fervor. The theme was Our unity is our strength, our diversity is our power. The chief guest was ex-serviceman Mr. Anand Pednekar. Along with flag hosting and march past, the house-wise competitions infused everyone with the spirit of patriotism, unity, and strength.
It would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. These are the words of our late President and great educationist, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. To offer tribute to their teachers, the badge holders put up an exclusive program under the able guidance of Principal Sister Jancy and Headmistress Sister Leela. The theme was God created teachers to make a difference in our life. It reflects the divine intervention in the making of students' life like a masterpiece and the teacher's role as an instrument in the fulfillment of this divine purpose.
Keep shining. The world needs your light. 21st October is celebrated as School Day in the memory of our patroness, Saint Ursula, under whose care and protection our school is placed. A skit based on the life of Mother Anne de Santosh, foundress of the Society of Saint Ursula, was presented. Mother Anne said, "We will not carry big torches which will throw light far and wide, but we will carry little lamps which will throw some light on the path of women and girls." Following these words, the Ursuline sisters are working with selfless dedication to impart education to the children of remote areas of India.
Our successes are just the beginning. The future holds even greater accomplishments. We thank Almighty God for generously blessing us with wisdom and strength in all situations, which necessitated us to sharpen our skills and elevate ourselves to turn those challenges into chances to do better each time. On this occasion, I express my sincere gratitude to the Society of Saint Ursula, whose support and encouragement continues to motivate Saint Ursula School Varaude to reach higher and higher levels of achievements in academics, sports, co-scholastic areas as well. The school is fortunate to have a team of qualified teachers who play a vital role behind every achievement of our school. I appreciate and thank each one of them. We wish to thank our non-teaching staff who work relentlessly for the smooth functioning of the school.
As our journey continues and takes up new challenges, dear parents, we continue to ask for your support and cooperation to move ahead confidently. We all can achieve if we work together. Finally, I request all of you to kindly enjoy the function till the end of the program. Many of our children are coming upon the stage for the first time. So, we have about 1,000 children who will be coming on the stage today. Please be generous to cheer our students. Have a wonderful time. May God bless us all. Thank you.
God, the Creator, has endowed each one of us with all the qualities of purity, love, compassion, and wisdom. Each one of us is unique and special in the purpose we are called to serve the world with. But often we forget that we are mere instruments of God. Only few of us keep ourselves connected to God and focus on the purpose we are born with.
Here we have a legend, a great patriot, a man of determination, committed to the development of nation, a socialist who dreamed to bring life of justice and dignity for all. He himself lived a life of simplicity to bring light in the lives of many.
The troop of young, talented, versatile, energetic students of Saint Ursula presents before you the enthralling life story of the legendary man who was born to create, cherish, and care. Let's sit back and watch.
More than just a businessman, he was a visionary who changed India with his values, compassion, and foresight.
You want to walk fast, walk alone. But you want to walk far, walk together.
He remained grounded, saying,
Ups and downs in life are important to keep us going. None can destroy a person, but their own mindset can.
Today, let's step into the life of this remarkable man. Let us cherish the legacy of Ratan Tata.
In a moment that has sent shockwaves across the nation, we report with a heavy heart that Ratan Tata, the man who transformed India's industry, is no longer with us.
He wasn't just a business leader, he was a visionary, a philanthropist, a great patriot to India. Today, we mourn not only the loss of a leader, but also the loss of a spirit who dedicated his life to the betterment of his country.
रुके मैडम, आप आगे नहीं जा सकते.
Mom, who was Ratan Tata? Why is everyone talking about him?
Ratan Tata was more than a businessman, my dear. He was the man of values, someone who believed in doing good while doing well. Let me tell you about him, about the values he grew up with, about the family that raised him. Ratan Tata, one of the India's most respected industrialists, was born on December 28, 1937 in Bombay.
भारत के एक सच्चे सपूत और नेक इंसान के बारे में जिनका नाम है सर रतन नवल टाटा, जिन्होंने देश के लिए मानवतावादी तत्वों से एक नई मिसाल की शुरुआत की, जिसका आदर्श आज के युवाओं के लिए काफ़ी प्रेरणादायी रहा है.
Oh, Naval and Sony, congratulations! You have a beautiful baby boy.
Thank you, Mother. We are thrilled.
Aha! A new generation of Tatas. It's time for a grand celebration.
Indeed, it does. Let's get the preparation started for the grand welcome ceremony. And Naval, we will name him after your father as Ratan.
Yes, of course, Mother. Ratan Tata, the next generation of our family's legacy.
संग आई खुशियाँ रोशन हुई ये सारी दुनिया, तुम आए जो संग आई खुशियाँ रोशन हुई ये सारी दुनिया। मेरा नन्हा सा बेटा है चांद का टुकड़ा, जी करता है हर पल तुझे देखता ही रहूं। तुम आए जो संग आई खुशियाँ रोशन हुई ये सारी दुनिया। ला 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 गूंजती किलकारियाँ लाग हम मीठी मीठी सी बत्तियाँ। तेरी गूंजती किलकारियाँ लाग हम मीठी मीठी सी बत्तियाँ। तेरी नन्ही सी अखियों में सजता है अब जहाँ एक हंसी, तुझसा नहीं है कोई। मेरे दिल का तू हिस्सा, जिंदगी का नया किस्सा, तेरी एक मुस्कान से सारे गम अपने भुला दूं। तुम आए जो संग आई खुशियाँ रोशन हुई ये सारी दुनिया। तुम आए जो संग आई खुशियाँ रोशन हुई ये सारी दुनिया। मेरा नन्हा सा बेटा है चांद का टुकड़ा, जी करता है हर पल तुझे देखता ही रहूं।
Isn't about wealth, but about values, kindness, and integrity.
I understand, Grandma. I will always remember. And don't forget to look after your little brother. Ha 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 ha.
बाय रतन, बाय जिमी, बाय फ्रेंड्स। अब हम चलते हैं, बाय बाय।
Ratan Baba, Jimmy Baba, the car is ready. Shall we head home?
Thank you, Uncle, but you can go ahead. I will walk home with my friends today.
Are you sure, Baba?
Yes, I will be fine. I want to enjoy the walk.
Okay, Baba, as you wish.
Hey Ratan, I thought you would go home by car as usual.
Yes, but there are millions of children who cannot afford to go by car daily. Let me be among them. I can also see and experience everything around me. Sometimes we miss what's important when we rush.
Okay.
Come on friends, let's go.
Look friends, they are protesting against British. They want freedom. They are all fighting for our country.
They are brave. They are standing up for what's right. Oh my God, did you see that? They are beating our people for no reason.
Ratan, let's get out of here before they notice us.
No, we can't just escape and run, but we have to do something.
What can we do?
We are just kids.
That doesn't matter. We can be a helping hand to the victims who are fallen on the road.
You are right, Ratan. We can make the difference.
Exactly, and who knows, maybe one day we will be the source of inspiration to the citizens of our country through our very life.
जब अंधेरे में हमने उम्मीद की लौ जलाना सीखा है, रफ्तार से आगे बढ़कर अपनों को जिताना सीखा है, तो अब थम कर भी एक दूसरे के संग हर जंग जीतेंगे हम।
मातरम की गूंज हर दिल में है प्यार, सभी धर्मों का संगम यही है संसार। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। हिमालय की ऊंचाई, सागर की गहराई, धरती माँ की गोद में प्यार की फसल लहराई। गंगा यमुना की बहती पावन जलधारा, हर इंसान के दिल में मिलती प्रेम की गहराई। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
ज्यादा भी है, कम भी है, खुशियाँ भी है, गम भी है, तेज थोड़ा मध्यम भी है, ढीले है थोड़े पर दम भी है। तू धड़ाक हम भी है, इसी तरह भी है, सुर ताल से जगा है देखो इंडिया। नमस्ते 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 इंडिया। नमस्ते 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 इंडिया। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ नमस्ते। Where dreams turn into reality, beyond Bollywood, devotion, domination, beyond Bollywood. Namaste, 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 India. Namaste, 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 India. Oh, 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 namaste. Oh, 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 namaste. Where dreams turn into reality, beyond Bollywood, whoa. Devotion, determination, beyond Bollywood.
And so, from a young age, Ratan Tata showed a strength of character, a quiet defiance, and a commitment to his beliefs. This was the beginning of a man who would go on to touch countless lives, to transform industries, and to always put values above all else. This was the making of Ratan Tata.
नमस्ते दादी, मैं रतन बात कर रहा हूँ।
मित्रा, कैसे हो? बहुत दिनों बाद याद आई। तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसे चल रही है?
दादी, मुझे आपको एक खुशखबरी देनी है।
अच्छा अच्छा रतन, बोलो।
दादी, मुझे मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी से डिग्री प्राप्त हुई है और मुझे यहाँ एक बड़े कंपनी में नौकरी भी मिल गई है।
अच्छा, तो तुम वही बस जाओगे क्या? अच्छा ठीक है डिकरा, तुम्हारे भविष्य के बारे में अभी तुम्हें ही सोचना है। बस कभी कभार हमें मिलने आ जाना, बहुत याद आती है तुम्हारी।
मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा दादी। May I come in, sir?
Yes, Mr. Ratan, please come in. Welcome to Future Venture Private Limited. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir. I am very glad to work in this company.
Mr. Ratan, these are your project papers and you work on it, you are surely getting promoted.
Okay, sir. I will surely try my best.
रतन टाटा ने इस अवाल पर कई महीनों तक काम किया। इसी दौरान उनके दादी माँ का स्वास्थ्य बिगड़ने लगा। Hello, is this Ratan Tata speaking?
Yes, Ratan Tata speaking.
Sir, there's an important message for you from India. Your grandmother is not keeping well and is hospitalized. She wants to see you.
Okay. Coming, sir.
Yes, Ratan, come in. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
What happened, Ratan? You look worried.
Sir, my grandmother isn't keeping well. I immediately need to go to India.
Ratan, you have almost completed your project and successful completion of this project will get you promoted.
But sir, my grandmother played a lead role in my life. Her love and affection continues to surround me. And now she wants to see me. I need to go, sir.
Okay, Ratan, it's your call.
Sir, these are my project papers. And this is my resignation letter.
Ratan, You truly love your family. I am proud of you.
Thank you, sir, for all your support.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Her parents' permission to take Caroline to India and settle.
Hello, Mr. Jones.
Welcome, Ratan. How are you, my son?
I am fine.
Please come in.
Welcome, Ratan. Have a seat.
Sir, I am here today to inform you about my decision of returning back to India.
What is true? I can't believe. What made you to take this decision?
Ma'am, it's the call of my grandmother, who is on the bed and wished to see me, and I could not deny her because she is the most important person in my life.
Okay, Ratan. We can understand your love and affection towards your grandmother.
Sir,
Yes, Ratan.
if you don't mind, I beg your permission of taking Caroline with me to India and live together forever.
Ratan, we are happy to have you as a son-in-law. We respect your relationship, but right now it's difficult to send my daughter with you to India as civil war has broken between India and China.
But Dad, I cannot think my life without Ratan. Please permit me. Everything will be alright soon.
Everything will be all right, Ratan.
But sir, I will wait for Caroline. May I take your leave now?
Yes, please.
Don't worry, dear. Everything will be alright.
Everything will be all right, Caroline.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Dad.
बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया बंदिया रे बंदिया राह पे चल बंदिया रुक जा रे बंदिया ये रात जरा सी है बात समझ बंदिया कुछ देर ही बाकी है रख यकीन आँखों से बादल आज हट जाएगा चाँद तेरी आँखों में बंदिया चल के आएगा सीने में जला ले आग ना आंख बंद कर जी बंधिया अब उठ जरा तू जा
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुन ओ मुसाफिर हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर वक्त बदलना है।
डरना तो बंदिया, रुकना तो बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया। डरना तो बंदिया, तो बंदिया, राह पे चल बंदिया।
Sir, please sign here.
अरे जिमी, कैसे हो?
रतन भैया आप आ गए, चलिए दादी जी से मिलते हैं।
दादी,
रतन डिकरा, तुम आ गए। तुम्हें देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आप चिंता मत करो दादी, अब मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं यहीं रहूंगा। आप जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओ।
रतन टाटा ने भारत में ही रहने का फैसला कर लिया। उन्होंने देखा कि भारत में लोगों की कई सारी समस्याएं हैं, जैसे बेरोजगारी, स्वास्थ्य सुविधा की समस्या और निरक्षरता। इन सारी समस्याओं को देखकर वे विचलित हो गए और वह सोचने लगे कि अपने देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए। इस बारे में अपने दादाजी JRD टाटा से बात करना चाहा।
दादाजी, मैंने देखा हमारे देश में बहुत सारी समस्याएं हैं, जैसे निरक्षरता, स्वास्थ्य का मसला और बेरोजगारी। अमेरिका में तो यह समस्या ना के बराबर है। दादाजी, मुझे हमारे देश के लिए कुछ तो करना है।
रतन डिकरा, तुम्हारी ये सोच मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, पर अगर तुम्हें यहाँ के समस्याओं का हल ढूंढना है और लोगों के लिए कुछ अच्छा करना है, तो तुम्हें यहाँ के लोगों को समझना होगा।
पर दादाजी, मैं यह कैसे कर पाऊँगा?
रतन डिकरा, क्यों ना तुम हमारी जमशेदपुर की टाटा स्टील फैक्ट्री में मैनेजर के तौर पर काम करो। इससे तुम्हें हमारे फैक्ट्री के बारे में भी पता चल जाएगा और लोगों को समझने का मौका भी मिल जाएगा।
यह तो बहुत अच्छा सुझाव है। मैं एक काम करता हूँ, मैं कल ही जमशेदपुर के लिए रवाना होता हूँ।
अपनी पहली चुनौती को स्वीकार कर वह जमशेदपुर में स्थित टाटा कंपनी के लिए रवाना हो गए।
May I coming, सर?
आइए आइए रतन जी। हेलो सर, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं बाबू सोरेन, यहाँ का मैनेजर। हमारे लिए बहुत ही सौभाग्य की बात है कि हमें आपके साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है।
ये मेरे लिए भी गर्व की बात है कि मुझे जमशेद जी द्वारा बनाए गए फैक्ट्री में काम करने का मौका मिला है।
सर आइए, मैं आपको फैक्ट्री दिखाता हूँ। सर ये देखिए फर्नेस डिपार्टमेंट, ये है रॉ मटेरियल यार्ड, ये है फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट हैंडलिंग यार्ड, ये है मेंटेनेंस डिपार्टमेंट, ये है लेबोरेटरी डिपार्टमेंट, अकाउंट एंड फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट। और सर ये रही आपकी केबिन। सर आपको जो भी काम हो बस मुझे बुला लीजिए, मैं तुरंत हाजिर हो जाऊंगा।
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सोरेन जी।
सर आप ये काम क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम हैं ना ये काम करने के लिए।
अरे इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, हम सब एक ही कंपनी में काम करते हैं। हम सब एक परिवार जैसे ही है। यहाँ पे कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता और परिवार में तो हर कोई एक दूसरे का हाथ बटाता ही है।
भाइयों, खाने की छुट्टी हो गई।
सर, इट्स अ लंच ब्रेक। हियर इज योर टिफिन।
मैनेजर, मैं आज मेरे वर्कर लोगों के साथ ही बैठकर खाना खाऊंगा।
ठीक है सर।
देखो देखो, जमशेद जी का पर पोता हमारे साथ खाना खाने वाला है।
देखो, रतन जी दिल के बहुत अच्छे हैं।
हमारे साथ परिवार जैसा बर्ताव करते हैं।
अरे इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, हम सब तो एक परिवार जैसे ही है।
अगर आप हमें आपका परिवार मानते हो तो क्या हम आपसे एक विनती कर सकते हैं?
क्यों नहीं।
हमारे गांव में एक बहुत बड़ा त्योहार है और हम चाहते हैं कि आप उस त्योहार में शामिल हो जाएं।
बिल्कुल, मुझे वहां आने में खुशी होगी।
सिम्पोंगा, 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 पोंगा, सिम्पोंगा, सिम्पोंगा, सिम्पोंगा।
आइए आइए रतन जी, हम आपकी ही प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे। आप हमारे त्योहार में शामिल हुए, यह हमारे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है। चलिए रतन जी, पूजा करते हैं।
सिम्पोंगा।
रतन जी, ये लीजिए पूजा की थाली।
सिम्पोंगा, सिम्पोंगा, सिम्पोंगा,
जोहार,
सिम्पोंगा,
जोहार,
सिम्पोंगा,
जोहार,
सिम्पोंगा।
करी भला काटे बिखेरे मछुआरा नदी तीरे मछुआरा नदी तीरे अंधेरा युगेला अंधेरा छटेला अंधेरा युगेला अंधेरा छटेला मधुर मधुर जे बोलेला कोयल तुमर जिया डोलेला मधुर मधुर जे बोलेला कोयल तुमर जिया डोलेला बोले रे सुर मधुर बड़ा लागे सुर मधुर बड़ा लागे मांदर बाजे जखन ढोलकी बाजे रे मन मधुर मगन डोले मन मधुर मगन डोले अंधेरा युगेला अंधेरा छटेला युगेला अंधेरा छटेला मधुर मधुर जे बोलेला कोयल तुमर जिया डोलेला मधुर मधुर जे बोलेला कोयल तुमर जिया डोलेला
रतन जी, आपकी निगरानी में हमारी टाटा स्टील कंपनी ने बहुत ही अच्छी तरक्की की है। ये सब आपके नेतृत्व की वजह से है।
धन्यवाद, पर ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। ये सब तो हमारे एकजुटता का ही नतीजा है।
टाटा स्टील में उनकी इस कामयाबी के बाद JRD टाटा ने रतन टाटा को खत लिखा।
रतन, तुमने टाटा स्टील में बहुत ही अद्भुत काम किया है। हर जगह तुम्हारे काम की तारीफ हो रही है। मैंने तुम्हें वहाँ भेजने का फैसला लिया था, उसका मुझे गर्व हो रहा है। अब मैं तुम्हें एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी देने की सोच रहा हूँ। हमारी बॉम्बे की नेल्को कंपनी बहुत ही बुरे वक्त से गुजर रही है। कंपनी घाटे में चल रही है और बंद होने की कगार पे है। पर मुझे चिंता इस बात की है कि अगर यह कंपनी बंद हो गई तो हजारों लोग बेरोजगार हो जाएंगे। उनके परिवार पे बहुत बड़ी आपत्ति आ जाएगी। इसलिए मैंने सोचा है कि तुम्हें वहाँ मैनेजर के तौर पर भेज दूँ। एक तुम ही हो जो इस कंपनी को कामयाबी की बुलंदियों पर ले जा सकते हो। मुझे भरोसा है कि तुम इस असंभव चीज़ को संभव कर सकते हो।
नेशनल रेडियो एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपनी यानी नेल्को कंपनी की जिम्मेदारी स्वीकार कर ली।
May I coming, sir?
Welcome, sir. Welcome to the National Radio and Electronics Company.
I am also happy to be here. I would like to meet you all in the conference room.
Yes, I will call all the departments head in the conference room. Sir, all the members are ready for the meeting.
Okay, let's go. Good morning. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I have studied the past history and records of a Nelco company, and it's very true that we are running a complete loss. The situation is too severe that we may have to shut down in a few months. But in all this darkness, we do have a ray of hope. Friends, from where did Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, and Facebook came from? They came from ideas which people thought something could be done with and would make a difference. Today, we have 2% of market share in consumers electronic, but I target to take these shares to 40% in next few months. And if we do so, a company would soon be a profit-making one. For this, we just need to understand the needs of our consumers and design it in a similar way.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us.
Yes, sir. We will surely try our best to bring your vision into reality.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
सर रतन टाटा ने नेल्को कंपनी की कमान पूरे 4 साल तक सफलतापूर्वक संभाली और अपने कुशल नेतृत्व के दम पर घाटे में चल रही इस कंपनी को सफलता के शिखर पर पहुंचाया और JRD टाटा के विश्वास को पूरी लगन के साथ निभाया।
रतन, तुमने मैंने दी हुई जिम्मेदारी को बखूबी निभाया है। तुमने ना सिर्फ नेल्को कंपनी को सफलता की शिखर पर पहुंचाया, पर हजारों लोगों की नौकरियां भी बचाई। मुझे गर्व है कि हमारे घर में तुम जैसा एक अनोखा अनमोल रतन है।
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दादाजी।
रतन टाटा ने इसी दौर में कई चुनौतियों को स्वीकार कर लिया और अपने दृढ़ विश्वास से सफलता प्राप्त की। इसी दौर में उनके कंधों पर एम्प्रेस कॉटन मिल की जिम्मेदारी सौंप दी गई। यह कॉटन मिल घाटे में चल रही थी। सर रतन टाटा ने पूरे 9 साल तक इस मिल को बचाने के लिए अथक प्रयास किए, लेकिन 1986 में यह मिल बेचनी पड़ी। उन्होंने अपनी एक मुलाकात में इस घटना का जिक्र करते हुए कहा था कि एम्प्रेस मिल को बेचने का फैसला उनके लिए व्यक्तिगत रूप से दुखदायी था, लेकिन इस असफलता से विचलित न होते हुए उन्होंने अपने भविष्य की चुनौतियों के लिए खुद के नेतृत्व को तराशा।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show Rimis Talk with Trimi Garewal. It is a great honor to have Sir Ratan Tata amidst us today to share his experiences of his venture. Welcome, sir.
It is my pleasure to be on this show.
Sir, we are aware about the success stories of Tata and Sons, and I would like to get enlightened about the efforts you took for saving Empress Mill in Bombay.
Thank you. It was a personal blow due to its closure in 1986. I invested heavily to turn the business around both financially and emotionally, time and again. I infused capital, brought in new strategies, and fought to keep the mill operational.
I heard saving mill required 50 lakhs.
Yes, it was seemingly a modest amount, but raising the funds that time proved difficult. It is one of the few regrets of inability which helped me to take the decision of future business.
Yes, sir, we can understand that you have gone through lots of hardships, and these challenges have really helped you to grow personally and professionally. I overwhelmed to hear about your experiences, and I thank you for being with us on our show.
Thank you.
Achievements, merits, and capabilities of Sir Ratan Tata, J.R.D. Tata, and the board members decided to appoint him as the new chairman of Tata Group.
Down as the chairman of Tata Group, I am indeed privileged to announce that Ratan Tata will step up as the new chairman of Tata Group. Now I request Ratan Tata to guide the board members.
Respected Sir J.R.D. Tata and all esteemed board members, it is my proud privilege to shoulder up the responsibility of chairman of Tata Group. I promise you all that every second of my life will be dedicated towards the progress of our country. Our Tata Group of companies is different. What makes it different is that it is an Indian company run by Indians and for the progress of Indians. So friends, together we can and together we will make impossible possible.